Namaskar dear students, welcome you to our channel by Gulab Sir. As a part of series of lectures, today's topic is endoplasmic reticulum. As we have started a unit, cell or cell as a fundamental unit of life, we already learned about plasma membrane. Now let us continue to learn other organelles one after the other. So next organelles is endoplasmic reticulum. As you know that this endoplasmic reticulum is a tubular pouch-like structure all around the nucleus. Has a pouch that semi-parallel fashion around the nucleus. This tubular structure extends from nucleus to cell membrane. It can be said that the cell membrane is pushed within the cytoplasm and it is continued to in that tubular form with that nuclear membrane. So something to be transferred directly from outside the cell to the nucleus is possible through this tubular structure. But its main function is different, that these endoplasmic reticulums are of two types. They are rough endoplasmic reticulum called RER and smooth endoplasmic reticulum called SER. Rough endoplasmic reticulum are so called because of presence of ribosomes over it, and that ribosome, as you know, are the factory of protein synthesis, and hence they synthesize protein and store protein in endoplasmic reticulum RER. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, proteins are stored. Here aside that where there is no presence of ribosomes, that part of the endoplasmic reticulum is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes and stored lipid in it. Therefore, it can be said that endoplasmic reticulum produce and store protein and lipid. So, no doubt these proteins and lipids are very important for rest of the other functions of the cells and tissue, organ system and body. This endoplasmic reticulum that forms Golgi body, from Golgi body lysosomes are produced, vacuoles are produced. Means the content of this endoplasmic reticulum is transported through Golgi body. Therefore, Golgi body is also known as transport system of the cell. These endoplasmic reticulum, as I mentioned here, you can write as a write short note on endoplasmic reticulum. This point can be written in examination, which already I spoke or I explained to you here. These are the 2 points. As a part of notes, you can note down and same. See their word luminal and extraluminal. What does it mean? Luminal means this what tubular structure, pouch-like structure within that stored lipid and protein, that is luminal, and gap between two tubules, that is called extraluminal. That has no concern with the function of the endoplasmic reticulum. That luminal part is important. Here, RER bear ribosome, produce protein, store protein. SER do not bear ribosome, produce lipid, store lipid. It also synthesizes and stored steroidal hormone. It's very important, and cholesterol. In addition to lipid and protein, it synthesizes steroidal hormone and stored it. This is what about endoplasmic reticulum structure. Now function. Endoplasmic reticulum cells of liver, adipocytes, spermatocyte, leukocytes, that they store glycogen in it. You are well known that insulin convert glucose into glycogen and stored in liver. Which part of the liver? Endoplasmic reticulum. Can be asked in NEET. Glycogen is stored in liver in one of the following organelles, endoplasmic reticulum. Not only in liver but also spermatocyte, leukocyte. That also please remember. Yes, that glycogen is a disaccharide and stored in these cells, endoplasmic reticulum of these cells. So which cells? Let you see here: liver, adipocyte, spermatocyte, leukocyte. Remember these cells. Next point, it also stored in muscles, and therefore muscles can work, contract and relax, because they have additional storage of glucose in the form of glycogen as well as in myoglobin form. Here it provides mechanical support to the cell because it forms the endoskeleton. See, very first page I wrote there endoskeleton of the cell. That means it support and give mechanical support to the cells. Moreover, it helps in detoxification of drugs. Yes, whenever we eat the food, it digested, and through hepatic portal system, it is carried to liver first. For what? For detoxification. because if we have taken that may consist of pesticide and insecticides, that has to be removed. So therefore, after absorption of that nutrients through blood, it directly reach to the liver, where endoplasmic reticulum of liver cause the detoxification, and thereby it help in detoxification of drugs and any poisonous content in it or steroids. It help to synthesize new membrane in newly produced cells and membranes of the nucleus. Very important, and this is known as membrane biogenesis. Question can be asked, what is membrane biogenesis? Name the organelle that help in synthesis of new membrane. Synthesis of membrane in newly produced cells as well as nucleus is known as membrane biogenesis. Endoplasmic reticulum help in synthesis of membrane biogenesis. Last point, it is also known as bank of calcium. You would be knowing at the synapses, that is junction between two neuron cells, calcium release and store, as well as in neuromuscular junction, when we have to contract and relax the muscles, message is reached to the muscle cell where endoplasmic reticulum release calcium. That calcium catalyze the process of contraction of muscles, that is combination of actin and myosin to form the actinomyosin in presence of calcium. And therefore, role of the endoplasmic reticulum is very important in movement and locomotion by releasing calcium and receiving calcium. And therefore, endoplasmic reticulum is also known as bank of calcium. I hope you got this structure of the endoplasmic reticulum in detail. It's very interesting, it's very easy to explain or draw and explain. A question can be asked, write short note on endoplasmic reticulum. It is a part of endomembrane system. What does it mean? Means endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, lysosome and vacuole, they are in connection about their production and storage as well as functions, and therefore these four organelles are called as endomembrane system. So please remember this endomembrane system in addition to the structure and function of endoplasmic reticulum. I hope you got it. You are enjoying our videos. I appeal you to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.